Here's some tricks, the ones you'll love, ones you've never seen before. Let's hit it. These are things that anyone could find at any thrift store. An item that you can find all the time at thrift stores is wrought iron hangings. I also love pillows from the thrift store. These run about $1.99. I have to share with you my favorite thrifting trick. You can do this from your couch. If you haven't heard of ThredUp, it's the largest online thrift store with your favorite clothing brands, up to 90% off estimated retail. Check out this dress I picked out. This socialite dress I got for just $11.55. The sheen top was only $6.05. But I think my favorite is these signature shorts that was just $5.50. You don't have to sacrifice convenience and luxury on ThredUp. These universal shorts, these were $6.02. About 90% of my wardrobe comes from ThredUp. If you use my link down below, you will get 45% off your first order. Definitely check out ThredUp. I can't wait to hear what you found. One of my favorite things to thrift are lampshades, especially if you want that vintage look. I love videos like this because I get overwhelmed. But when I see someone else doing something, I'm like, oh, I can do that. I look for quality pieces that feel great in my hand. Almost every thrift store I've been in recently have these small wooden shelves of some kind. I love to find beautiful frames. Be sure to check out ThredUp and use the code below for 45% off your first order. My friend, follow your heart.